that is sum of the degrees and order of the given equation is what? Okay, so this is what the first question. So just because screen something is out. 1 minute, students. So as you all know that it is 1 plus y1 square the whole raised to 2 by 3. So to determine the order of this, as we know that order of this given equation is what? Order is 2. Already we know this because the power of y2 is 3 and the power of y1 is 2. So now order is 2. So what is power of y2? So when you equate this y1 to the whole to the power 2 by 3, and here the power of equation is 3. Why? Because it is y to the whole, it is y to the power 3. So which gives the answer as order and degree is 3. Degree is 3. So sum of the order of degree and order, that is order and degree of the equation is, that is 2 plus 3, that is nothing but 5. Answer C is the correct option. C is the correct option. The next one, question number 7. Question number 7, that is question number 7 is here. If dy by dx plus y by x is x square, then 2y of 2 minus y of 1 is what? The option A is 11 by 4, option B is 15 by 4, option C is 9 by 4, and option D is 13 by 4. Just try to calculate this. 10 seconds for you. So try to find the integral factor here. So integral factor IF is of the standard form. You can get it as e raised to integration of 1 by dx e into dx, which is x. So general solution for this is y into x is integral of x square plus x square into x dx plus c. So which is x into y is equals to x square. Integration of x square is x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. So assuming you can take it as c as 0, assume that you can c as 0 because the constant it will get disappear. When it is a simplest way of this is, it is if you take the c as 0, then y is equals to x on transposing here, it will become x and 1 less than x, that is x cube by 4. So substitute this and calculate in the value of x, that is y of 2. Y of 2 is what? It is 2 cube by 4. 2 cube in the sense it is nothing but this term will become 8. So 8 by 4 is 2. Then y of 1. Y of 1 is what? It is 1 cube by 4. That is nothing but 1 by 4. So here 2, the equation is in this form. 2 into y2 minus y1. So 2 into y2. Y2 is value is 2. So 2 into 2 it is. Minus y of 1. Y of 1 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So which is 4 minus 1 by 4. That is 16 minus 1. It is 15. 4 into 4. 16 minus 1 is 15 by 4. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. We go to the next question. Go to the next question now. The next question is here. If dy by dx plus y by x is x square, then 2y into 2y of 2 minus y of 1 is equals to what? Option A is 11 by 4. Option B is 15 by 4. Option C is 9 by 4. And option D is 13 by 4. So which of the option is correct that you need to find? Again, students, 10 seconds time for you. So students, sorry for the interruption of the screen. Okay, now it is if if dy by dx is question is there, just try to find the answer of 2y of 2 minus y of 1. What is the value of this? So it is, so shall we start? It is a dy by dx plus 1 by x, 1 by x of y. Means I separated the y with the help of by splitting the term, that is 1 by x into y, that is y by x, which is equals to x square. Now integrating factor, what it will become, as you know that in the previous question, that is e raised to integration of half of x, that is 1 by x dx, 1 by x dx, which is equals to e raised to integration of x, which is equals to x. Now integration factor of integration of q of x into I integration factor of dx plus c. So it can be written as y into x integration of x square plus x into dx. Sorry, it is not x square into x dx plus c. So integration of x square x in x square into x, that is integration of x cube dx plus c. So it is x raised to 4 by 4. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. So which can be written as that is y is equals to x raised to 4 by 4, that is x cube by 4 by writing in a different way by x. Okay, so assuming this for the unique answer, what you can say is y of 2. Y of 2 is just substitute wherever x is there, that is 2. 2 cube by 4 plus c by 2. Okay, which is equals to, that is 2 cube by 2. Then it is 2 cube is 8. 8 by 4 is 2 plus c by 2. So just substitute 2 into y of 2 because we require the expression in this way. That is 2 into y of 2, y of 2, which is equals to 2 into y of 2 will be this. That is 2 plus c by 2. So which is 2 into, that is plus 2 by 2. Then it will become, then y of 1, y of 1, y of 1, it will become what? It is 1 by 4 plus c. So y of 2 by 2 minus y of 1 can be written as, this is 2 into 2 plus c by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus c. So this is 4 plus c minus 1 by 4. 4 plus c minus 1 by 4 minus c. So just try to resolve this. We are going to get, that is 4 into 1 minus 4. 4 into 1 minus 4, which is equals to 16. That is 16 minus 4 means it is 15 by 4. So the whole expression of y into 2y2, it is just a 15 by 4. Option B is the correct one. Next one, question number 8. The solution of the differential equation x dy minus y dx is equals to 0 represents what? A rectangular hyperbola. Option B is a straight line passing through origin is at origin. Option C is parabola whose vertex. And option D is a circle whose center. So just try to analyze and try to give the answer for this. What it is going to represent? Y x into dy minus y into dx, which is equals to 0. So, dear students, when it is equals to 0, just try to rearrange the given equation, which can be written as x into dy, which is equals to, on transposing, observe in the question, on transposing minus y to other side, it will become minus y will become plus y into dx. So it is dy by y on transposing y to other side, which is equals to dx by x. So integrate it. integrating both, that is dy by y, which is equals to integration of dx by x. So which is integration of y, then that is mod of y is equals to integration of mod of x plus integral of mod of c constant. So simplify this, we'll come to know that is y is equals to c into x. So general solution of y is equals to c into x. It is of the equation of the family straight line that always passes through the point that is 0, 0, which is origin. Since substituting x is equals to 0, substituting x is equals to 0, it will gives y is equals to c of 0. Substituting x in this given equation, it is cx, y, x as 0, x as 0, y is equals to c into 0 it will. Okay. So y is equals to c into 0 means what? It is nothing but 0. So the option B is the correct answer. The straight line is passing through the origin, is at origin, is at origin. Okay. Question number 9. Move on to the next question. Question number 9. The number of solution, the number of solutions of dy by dx is equals to y plus 1 upon x minus 1 when y of 1 is 2. What is the answer for that? That is option A is 3, option B is 1, option C is infinite, and option D is 2. The number of solution of the number of solutions. How many solutions are there? The number of solutions for dy by dx is equals to y plus 1 upon x minus 1 when y of 1 is equals to 2. The given condition is there. Again, 1 minute time for you. Just try to solve this. Students fast. If you are having any answer, you can type in the chat box. So, dear students, let me start with this. That is dy by dx is equals to y plus 1 upon x minus 1. Y plus 1 upon x minus 1. That is nothing but dy by y plus 1 cross, which is equals to dx by x minus 1. By crossing, uh, by cross shifting, that is y plus 1 upon, that is denominator goes to the numerator. So integrating on both sides, integration on both sides, integrated. So by integrating, it will become integration of mod of y plus 1 will become mod of y plus 1, and this side integration of mod of x minus 1 plus integration of mod of c. So it is y plus 1 is equals to integration of c of x minus 1, then y plus y is equals to c of x minus 1 on transposing 1 to other side will become minus 1. So apply the initial condition. So it is y of 1 is equals to 2. That is 2 is equals to c of 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what it gives? That is c of 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 2 is equal to minus 1. So this will give the contradiction. Why? 2 is never equal to minus 1 and it is giving that 2 is equals to minus 1. Hence, it has a no solution. But the given options are 3, 1, infinite and 2. Just you can change this option C. Infinite with no solution. No solution. Students, just try to type this as no solution. Write it down. This has no solution and option C is the correct answer. No solution. Instead of this infinite solution, it is having the no solution you can write. Because when it will give a contradiction, it has no solution. So no solution in the sense given options are not valid. So by mistakenly it is infinite. Just change it by the no solution. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. The degree and order of the differential equation d square y by dx square is cube root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square respectively are 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. So these are the four options are there. Just try to find the answer for this within 10 to 15 seconds. Try this. So to eliminate the cube root, we have to raise the given power, raise the power by 3 on both sides. Correct? 3 on both sides. So when it will be 3, it will be get cancelled out. So then the given equation will be of d square y by dx square raised to 3 is equals to 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. This will be the side, that is dy by dx the whole square on the right hand side, and left hand side I already wrote here. Okay, so now it can be written as that order of a differential equation is the order of what? Highest derivative present over here. So the order of here derivatives in the specific in the simplified form, that is d square y by dx square, its order is 2, and dy by dx its order is 1. So the highest power of this in between this two, in between these two, the highest power is 2. So hence you can write order is equals to, order is equals to, that is 2. Let me try to find the determine the degree of the solution. So degree of the determining the degree of the solution is what? It is the highest power of the derivative of this d square y by dx square is what? It is, you know that it is a 3, and and the power of exponent which is having the dy by dx it is having the 2. So therefore its degree will be, highest power is what? It is highest power of the second derivative is what? That is 3. That is become the degree of the given equation. Degree is equals to 3. Highest power to the second order derivative is, that will be the degree of the equation. So that is order is 2 and degree is 3. Option But here the question is what? Degree and order. So degree is 3 and 2. Where the 3 and 2 is there, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct. Okay. If you want, I will write and show you. If you just note it down like this way. D square y by dx square, and it is the cube root of so and so. You know this. Only you have to raise the power by 3 on both sides. On both sides. So it will become like this. Raise the power by 3, and by raising the power by 3. Cube root and 3 will get cancelled. Then rest all things I already explained. So go to the next question. Let's try to move to the next question now. Question number 11. That is integrating factor of dy by dx plus y is equals to 1 plus y by x is what? Option A, x e raised to x. Option B is x into e raised to 1 by x. Option C is e raised to x by x. Option D is x by e raised to x. What is the answer? Just try to find. 10 seconds for you students. Integrating factor of dy by dx plus y. So you need to find the IF. Okay. So rearrange and try to write in the standard linear form. That is dy by dx plus p of x into y. P of x into y is equals to cube of x. So in this form, that is dy by dx plus y minus y by x is equals to minus y by x is equals to 1 by x. So dy by dx plus y into 1 minus 1 by x is equals to 1 by x. Okay. So it is y into 1 by x. Take the y as common. We come to know this. Then it can be written as dy by dx plus, that is, x into 1 is x minus 1 the whole by x, which is equals to into y is equals to 1 by x. Now, so finally we got one conclusion that that is p of x is what? It is x minus 1 by x. Now, q of x is what? Simultaneously, q of x is what? It is 1 by x. Q of x is 1 by x. So, integral factor of e raised to p of x dx, p of x dx is integral of e raised to p of x is already, we know this, x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x dx. So which can be resolved by just simplify into fraction which is inside the integral. So it is x minus 1 by x is equals to x by x minus 1 by x. Means I'm just splitting this x by x and minus 1 by x, which is 1 minus 1 by x. Again, it is in the original form. That is integrating this equation with the d with respect to x, that is 1 minus x dx is equals to split it 1 into dx minus 1 by x into dx. So this can be resolved by integration of 1 minus 1 by x dx is integration of 1 is x minus, that is integration of 1 by is what? 1, that is integration of mod x dx. So which is in the form of, that is e raised to x minus integral of x d mod x dx. So this is the answer. Now just it can be rewritten in the simplifying the integral, that is integral factor, that is e raised to a minus b. It is in the form of e raised to, this you can treat it as a and this is treated as b. Integration of e raised to a minus b is what? That is e raised to a upon e raised to b. So which can be resolved by e raised to x upon e raised to integral of mod x. So which is equals to e raised to x upon x. So which is option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. So we'll go to the next question now. So question number 12. The differential equation whose solution represents the curve xy is equals to a into e raised to ax plus b into e raised to minus ax is what? Option A, option B, option C, option D are given. Just try to find the answer for this. So we'll start with the given equation, that is d by dx of xy. Differentiate d by dx of x of y, x by d by dx of xy is equals to d of dx by the given equation, that is e into a raised to, that all the equation you know this equation C. So it can be written as x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx of 1 is 1, that is y of 1. So which can be written as, that is a into e raised to ax plus b into minus ae raised to minus ax. Okay, so that is here a into, because log. So which can be written as x into dy by dx plus y is equals to a into bracket a into e raised to ax minus b into e raised to minus ax. So this is what the equation you can treat it as 2. So now It is differentiating equation 2 with respect to x. What we are going to get? That is x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx of 1 plus dy by dx of a into a a into e raised to ax minus b b into bracket minus a into a raised to minus ax. So this is what the thing, that is x into d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx, 2 into dy by dx, which is equals to a square, that is a, and inside one more a, it is going to be multiplied, that is a square into bracket a into e raised to ax plus, that is minus of minus, it will become plus b into e raised to minus ax. Okay, so it is call this as equation, call this as a 3, equation number 3. Just note it down. Then now it is equation 3, just differentiating again, substituting just equation 1 into equation 3. Equation 1 is what? This, the original equation. Then what we are going to get, that is x into d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx, which is equals to a square into bracket xy. So x into d square y by dx square, it is as it is, plus 2 into dy by dx, which is equals to a square xy. So compare with the given option, comparing with the given option, here option A, it is not suitable, x into d square y by, no, option B, if you compare x into d square y by dx square and 2 into dy by dx, a is equals to a square xy. So the answer B is the option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So we'll go to the next question. Option, that is next question. The differential equation satisfied by a raised to a plus b, a plus bx, the whole into e raised to y by x, it is. Okay, just remember this. It is not visibly. It is y by x, which is equals to x is what? The differential equation satisfied by a plus b the whole, a plus b the whole into e raised to xy. A into bx, or you can say a plus bx into e raised to y by x is what? So again, students, 10 seconds fast. So it can be written as, so start writing with the given equation, that is a plus bx into e raised to y by x, which is equals to x. First, try to simplify with the isolation of the exponential term. and constant. So this is, you can treat this as that is e raised to y by x, which is equals to x upon this term, that is a plus bx, on transposing a plus bx to RHS. You can call this as equation number 1. So taking the logarithm on both sides. So logarithm of, it is log of e raised to y by x into log of this x by a plus bx. Log of a by b is what? It is log of a minus log of b. So that is nothing but, so log of a minus log of a plus bx. Okay. So this is y by x. So first try to differentiation of y1, that is differentiate the equation 2. You can treat this as equation 2 with respect to x. What will use? That is d by dx of y by x into d by dx of log of x minus d by dx of log, log of a plus bx, log of a plus bx, that is x y1. Use the differentiation on the, that is quotient rule on the LHS. So x y1 minus y of 1 by x square. So this is 1 by x, log x is 1 by x minus 1 by a plus bx. So further on solving this, so call this as equation number 3. Call this as equation number 3. So it is d by dx of this equation, that is xy1 minus y by x square, which is equals to d by dx of 1 by x minus b into d by dx of 1 by a plus bx. So this can be evaluated by, just a minute students. So this is differentiation of this. You can treat this as y1 on, again you can just take the differentiation of y1, it will be same, that is differentiation of y1, that will be given by, that is x, that is differentiation of y1 is what, x y1 minus y by x square, it is 1 by x minus b of a plus bx, cross multiply this. So using this you can treat the differentiation of one more time, that is y2. So it is d by dx of x into y1 minus y1, which is equals to 1 minus b into d by dx of the second one, that is x square by a plus bx. So now further resolving this, that is d by that is xy2 plus xy1 minus y1 is equals to 1 minus b into d by dx of x square by a plus bx. So this can be written as xy2, which is equals to 1 minus b into a plus bx into 2x. 2x in the sense it is multiplying this 2x minus x square into b, the whole divided by a plus bx the whole square. So now by resolving this, we can get that is xy2, that is 1 minus b upon 1 minus uh, b into 2ax plus bx square, that is x square into b is bx square divided by a plus bx the whole square. Then it is 1 minus b into 1 minus b into that is 2ax plus bx square by a plus bx the whole square. So treat this as equation number 7. Sorry, equation number 5. Just by approaching this in the standard form, that is a plus bx as x raised to x into e raised to minus v. V is equals to that is x into e raised to minus v minus a upon x. So which is equals to e raised to minus v, e raised to minus v minus a by v. Okay. So now this is differentiate this equation with respect to x. It will become constant p is equal to 0. Then d by dx of this always e raised to minus v minus a raised to x raised to minus v, a by x raised to minus 1. Then it will be minus e raised to minus into v1 minus a into 1 minus that is x raised to minus 2, x raised to minus 2, which is a is equals to x square e raised to minus v as it is, then it will become v1. So v1 in the sense what? It is as good as taking the x raised to y1 form. That is, using this condition, you can get the option C as the correct answer. Option C as the correct answer, because by substituting the value of a, we will get the x cube into y2, in this x cube into y2. Then here e raised to minus v is what it is? V is x into y1 minus y to the whole square. So option C is the correct answer. Next one of question number 14. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square plus 1 by 2xy satisfying y of 1 is equals to 1 is what? The option A is a hyperbola and option B is a y square is equals to x into bracket 1 plus x minus 10, and option C is a circle. Option D is x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equals to x plus 5xy. Just try to solve this. Again, 10 seconds for you students. Okay, I hope you got some clues for this and idea also. Let me try to solve this. So try to recognize the given equation. It is the dy by dx is x square plus y square plus 1 by 2xy. So try to rearrange in the form of mdx plus nd. Something it is not writing properly. Just for a minute, students. Yes. Okay. Write this in a standard form. That is m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0. Rearrange in this form. That is just 2xy dy is equals to 2xy dy is equals to means transposing decimal to other side, the denominator to other side. Then it will become x square plus y square plus 1 into dx. So rearranging and differentiating. This is transposed to other side. So it will become 2xy into dy. And x dx is transposed to other side. It will become x square plus y square into dx. So now m is what? It is m is equals to x square plus y square minus 1 and n is that is minus 2xy. Okay. So mx plus ny. Mx plus ny in the sense what it is? Mx plus ny. Writing this in the integral factor form. Mx plus ny. That is x square plus xy x square plus, sorry, given equation you need to write x square plus y square plus 1 into x minus, sorry, plus it is 2x minus 2xy into y. So which can be written as x into x square, that is x cube plus y square x plus 1 into x is x minus 2x y square. So this can be written as x cube minus x cube, okay, x cube minus xy square minus 2xy square plus xy square. It will become minus xy square plus x. Okay. So by taking x as a common, that is x square minus y square plus 1. So by alternative rearrangement, what we can do, that is divide this given equation by divide this given equation by 3a square. Okay, just a minute, students. Given equation, that is 2xy 2xy, or you will not get this because partial differentiation is required, or else we can start with the initial condition by integrating will get, or yes, we can get this by integrating. So sorry, students, I am taking your time. Okay, integration of d into y square by x, which is equals to, that is this method is same, only this expression is going to change. So d by just to try to realize this one more time and solve something which is wrong. We approach with the wrong way. Yes. So here it is 2xy minus 2xy dy minus y square dx is equals to x square plus 1 dx. Okay. So then here it is dividing throughout by x square. What we are going to get? that is 2xy dy by x square. On other side it is x square plus 1 by x square. So recognize the differential of the y by y square by x. So what we are going to get, that is a d of y square by x is equals to, that is x into 2y dy minus y square into dx divided by x square So this equation become d into y square by x, d of y square by x is equals to 1 plus 1 by x square into dx. So integrating this, so d of y square by x, on LHS it will be y square by x. LHS it will be same. So on RHS, integration of 1 plus x raised to minus 2 into dx. So now it can be written as y square by 2, sorry, y square integration of y square by x, right? Integration of y square by x, it is y square by x is equals to x minus 1 by x plus c. So multiply throughout by x, that will become multiply here by x and here by x. What we are going to get, that is we need to do, that is x and x got cancelled, it is y square is equals to x square minus 1 plus c into x. Everywhere you need to multiply. So y square minus, on transposing x square to LHS side, it is minus x square and it is cx minus 1, cx minus 1. So on transposing, it is y square minus x square minus cx plus 1 is equals to 0. So y of 1 is 1 now, and that is x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So substituting this 1 square, y of 1 is 1. 1 square is equals to, or you can say 1 square minus, again 1 square minus, that is c into x, that is minus 1 plus 1. It is 1 is equals to, on transposing it is 1 minus 1 plus minus will become plus. So 1 minus 1 it is 0 plus c is equals to 1. So c is equals to 1. So using this condition, that is y square is equals to x square minus 1, x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1, sorry, y square is equals to x square minus 1 plus x it is. So it can be written as, that is y square minus x square plus 1 is 0 plus x. Sorry, it is plus is become minus x. So finally it is y square minus x square minus x, on transposing plus x to other side, plus 1 is equals to 0. So rearranging this y square minus x square, it is minus x will become plus x, plus 1 will become minus 1, x minus 1. So using this condition, you can see that this is nothing but a hyperbolic condition, that is hyperbola. Okay, why? Because given equation, it is a conic section of the form ax square plus bxy plus cy square and so on is equals to 0. So here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 it is. So when it is greater than 0, the given condition is hyperbola. Okay, dear students. So I will wind up this session by here. and next we'll meet in the next session. So with continuing this some problems, I'll give you some problems. You just immediately take the screenshot of that for the homework and practice those problems till the next session. So I'm going to go on sharing these problems one by one. Just try to solve this. This is 15th one. It is also same as last three sums back what we learned, that is same one, order and degree, and it is 16th one. It's a bit difficult, but try this, we'll get the answer. And this is 18th one. Take the screenshots of this. 20 means these questions, if you attempt, means if you try to solve, it is good for the preparation for the CET. Wait, okay. This may comes in the CET, that is the solution of the differential equation. I think 2018 by something it has came. The solution of the differential equation. This one is okay. So, well, students, with this we'll wind up today's session, and happy Karnataka Rajyotsava for you all. Then we'll continue with the next session in the next bit. So till that, take care. Bye.